Hey guys, it's Sanibel,
and today,
I'm going to be making cookies.
yes,
But here's the thing, I do not have a recipe to go off of, and I don't know how to make cookies.
yeah, see, I bake a lot, so if I didn't have a recipe to follow, I would still know what to do because I actually have a recipe memorized. So the recipe that I have memorized, we're gonna see how close she gets to that actual recipe. But right now she has no recipe.
The only hint I get is that I know 2 sticks of butter. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in our sugar first.
And I'll have the real instructions on the screen as she does this.
We're gonna put in 1 cup of sugar.
Why are you twisting it like that?
After we put in your 1 cup of sugar, we're going to stir it. Ooh, this actually looks good.
Jeez, Annie! That's not what you...
Now we're gonna put in our eggs. Don't say anything. So now we're gonna put in 2 eggs.
You know you can't do the one-handed crack. Why did you even try?
Hey, that's pretty good. We're doing good so far. It's looking great, guys. Look at it. Big. Cookie dough. Okay.
Stir it first!
I cannot say anything. This is my baking show. Now we're gonna put in some baking soda. Put in 1 of these. I don't know what this is. Teaspoon? Let's put in 2 teaspoons. 1. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put in baking powder. You're gonna do half a teaspoon. This baby. Now we're gonna put in some salt. 1 pinch of salt. Now we're gonna put in vanilla. Let's do this isn't too bad. Look at it. Now we're gonna put in our brown sugar. No idea what this does. Let's put in a half cup.
Annie, Annabelle.
Yeah? Let's do Skylar's folding method.
That's not how I do it.
Crushing the spots, okay?
Don't say that's my method. That is not my method.
Alright, now we're gonna put in our flour. I know you need like a lot of this, so we're gonna put in like 2 cups. You're gonna need a knife and stir it up a little. Ooh, that's satisfying. You're gonna reach in there, grab your cup. You're gonna chop it up. Then level it off. We're gonna stir that first. I'm doing great. Yeah, that looks so good.
How do you mess that up? You're making a mess.
Cooking's messy, right?
Do you want to add any more flour?
Nope. This is all the flour we need. dough. Now we're gonna fold in some chocolate chips.
The fact that the bowl is making that noise is... Listen. What is underneath there? What are you... What is that?
All right, so we have made our dough. Now what we're gonna do is bake them. We take our parchment paper, rip it off.
That's not how you do it. There's cuts on the side of the box for a reason.
Now we're gonna take our beautiful dough that we've made and scoop some scoopers.
I'm not gonna... You don't need oven mitts to put a cold pan in the oven.
Yes, you do, because you could burn yourself in the oven.
Just don't touch it and you're fine.
Exactly. If you touch it, then you're dead. All right. So now we're gonna put these in for 8 minutes. All right, guys. So our cookies are done.
They smell disgusting.
I think we did it.
They smell so bad. And those look cooked to you?
Very much, yes.
Goodness.
Here is our beloved cookies.
More beloved, disgusting cookies.
Owie! Hot. Right.
Tell the truth.
I can't really taste them because my braces and I can't. You taste them. Go with it.
It tastes like eggs. They're disgusting. I'm not kidding. You added way too much baking soda. You only needed 1 teaspoon. You didn't add enough brown sugar. You didn't add enough flour. You didn't add enough chocolate chips. And you didn't mix it properly. You mixed the flour way too much. And you put them too close together on the pan. But the fact that you didn't add a whole other cup of flour, which you needed. You didn't add enough vanilla either.
Yeah, I did.
You add like 2 tablespoons. Of vanilla.
What?
That's why it tastes gross. Those are disgusting. Don't follow her recipe.
Did you want to taste them?
They taste like eggs, but they're like sizzly because of the baking powder. Stop it. Don't torture Reggie like that.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Those cookies look really good.
No, they don't.
See you guys next time on It's Santa Belle.